A 1.5 kilogram object speeds up from 4 meters per second to 10 meters per second. The force acts over 8 meters. Can you find the force in under 30 seconds? We use the work-energy theorem. The work done by the force equals the change in kinetic energy. First, calculate the initial kinetic energy. 1/2 times 1.5 times 4 squared equals 12 joules. Now the final kinetic energy. 1/2 times 1.5 times 10 squared equals 75 joules. The change in kinetic energy is 75 minus 12. That gives 63 joules. Work equals force times distance. So force times 8 equals 63. Divide 63 by 8. The force is about 7.9 newtons. If you solved it before I did, respect. Follow for more fast physics challenges.